This is the PWPAM UV Clean Box with Ozone and wireless charger. Let's take it out of the box. And in the box, you get the box. And inside of that are your accessories here. Oh, let me open that all the way up. You have your USB cable, which I'll get back to in a moment. Two little medicine dropper type things here that you can take out, and a little instruction booklet here. In the box itself, you can see here is where you would put your device. There you go. Your phone can fit right in there. You don't have to limit this to just your phone. You can put anything that you'd like inside of this box. It has UVC bulbs on either side there. They're the real deal. They're not LEDs. And this will irradiate your device here to keep it sanitized. So you can put it in here, and it really only takes a few minutes. You can run it for a 3-minute cycle, or for a deeper clean for a 10-minute cycle. Here is the USB cable. You can see it's standard USB to USB-C. So you just plug the cable in there, you put your phone in here, and if your phone is wireless charging enabled, this one is not, but if it were, when you put it in here, it will automatically start to charge wirelessly and can charge it up to 10 watts. If not, there is a USB port on there. You would supply your own cable for your phone, and that way you can charge it that way. This also has an aromatherapy diffuser. So if you have some essential oils, for example, and you really like the smell of one, well, you can take one of the included droppers here and get some in the thing there and put a couple drops right there. Just 2 drops is all you need. Put that in there, and not only will your phone be cleaned of germs and things like that, because, you know, we handle these all day long, so they get pretty filthy. Not only will it clean that, but if you put essential oils in there, it will also give it a fragrance, which is really nice. So when you're talking on your phone, or even just taking it out of your pocket, you'll get that nice aroma come up. And very simple, you just close the box, press the button, and it's on. This is going to run for 3 minutes and automatically shut off. Okay, the light has gone out. We'll open it up, and you will notice a smell of ozone. Like I said earlier, this has ozone. Ozone is generated when the UVC lights in there are on. Ozone smells like that smell you get after a rainstorm. That kind of clean smell. It's actually toxic to germs and stuff like that, and it's also toxic to us in large concentrations. But the volume in here is very small, so you wouldn't have any concern with that whatsoever. And just by doing that, your device is clean of germs and stuff like that. It's not going to magically remove fingerprints or anything like that, but the germs on here will be killed. And like I said, it's not limited to your phone. If it fits in here, it cleans. So a very handy thing to have in these uncertain times where you never do know. You can put, especially if your phone is wireless charging, you can put this in the box, run it for 3 minutes or for 10 minutes, whatever it is, and let it charge at the same time if your phone is wireless charge enabled. This way it's clean and charged, and really you can't ask for more than that. So once again, this was the PWPAM UV Clean Box with Ozone. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.